Hello, and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, we use the particular plugin from the Trapcode suite created by Red Giant. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open a new project. Create a new comp. I'm using 1920 width by 1080 height, 30 frames per second, 10 second long. Click OK. Create a new solid. Call it BG. Go to Effect and Preset. Search for Gradient Ramp. Drop it in BG Solid. Go to Ramp Shape. Choose Radial Ramp. Drag the start of ramp to the middle. Choose any color you want. Create a new solid. Call it Particular. Click on Make Comp Size. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Let's open up the emitter section. Change emitter type from point to box. Change all these velocity to 0. Also, go to emitter size and make Y and Z to 0. Go to the emitter section. Set a keyframe for the position X, Y, and Z by clicking on it. Go to the beginning of the timeline. Scroll the Y position down. Go to the Particular section. Change the life to 1. Also, change the size to 1. Open the opacity over life. Press Preset and choose second unit. Also size over life. Go to Physics, Air, then go to Turbulence Field. Make effect size to 6, and effect position 350. Make fade in time 0. Again, go to emitter section and scroll the Y position up. Go to O System. Change of to continuously. Change emit probability to 10. Also stop emit to 10. Size 2. Open the size over life. Press preset and choose second unit. Also opacity over life. Go to Particular, Color, change at Start to Over Life. Go to Over Life, Preset, and choose any color you want. Also go to O System. Color, change at Start to Over Life. Preset, and choose any color you want.